You know how it goes. Gotta put the content out. Put the content out for the viewers. Yeah, feed them. Uh, where I got them covered. Put all this news out real quick. Get it done. Oh, by the way, hello viewers. Me again. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. Or excellent. Yeah. Well, gotta feed you guys. Put this content out. Let's see here. Did we do this already? Let's see. Okay. Gotta put the content out. Okay, what do we got here? Mesa 24.3.1 open source Linux graphics driver release. And says here Mesa developer Dylan Baker announced the release of Mesa 24.3.1 and bug fix release for the latest stable release on Linux open source graphics driver. No new features since those will come with the first release of Mesa 25 next year. For those still on Mesa 24.2, you should now be good to upgrade. And then it says the next line of updates for Mesa will be 24.3.2, 24.3.3, and 24.3.4, 24.3.5, 24.3.6, and these fall on December 12th, December 18, 2024, January 1st, 2025, January 15th, 2025, January 29th, 2025, and February 12th, 2025. Alright, keep moving here. Gotta put this content out. Let's see what else we got. Can't play around with this. Gotta feed the viewers. Let's go. It says here, Delta Force developer mentioned they will look at supporting the Steam Deck Linux. Okay. It says here, writing on Steam forum, one of the developers clearly said Linux is currently not supported and Steam Deck is also not supported at the moment, but we will start considering how to port it. See, with Proton though, they don't actually need to port the game like they would for another platform. The developer just need to ensure their anti-cheat system and anti-cheat expert ACE is enabled for it, although it's not clear if that will be as easy as it is for Battle Eye and Easy Anti-Cheat. Alright. Okay, keep moving here. What else we got? So Delta Force is getting some updates. Let's see, what's this? Okay, what's this? Steam Bullet Haven 2.0 is live to show off explosive growth for the Engineer. And let's see here, what do we got? Some of the games I think I need you to check out or keep your eye on is 20 Minutes Till Dawn, Bone Razor Millions, Brotato, Hall of Torment, Heretic Folks. Technically this one is for tower defense, but in its festival and the gameplay does fit it. Swarm Grinder, Deep Rock Galactic Survivor, Nimrods, Guncraft Survivor, Airship Lost Fortilla, Early Access, and both these games are in early access. Airship is Lost Fortilla demo is available. It says check out the festival. It runs until December 11th, and that's the Steam Bullet Haven Festival 2.0. Alright, keep moving here. What else we got? Gotta keep you guys in the loop though. I don't play around with this. Let's see here. What's this? Deep Survival Game Vintage Story has another massive update approaching version 1.20. Let's see what they say here. Speaking about the update, developer said in the announcement, the primary focus of this update was on delivering the second major chapter in our game story. There are 4 new unique story locations that requires long distance travel to reach them. Long distance travel is enhanced by 2 transport systems, the Elk for land-based travel and the sailboat for traversing bodies of water. The team worked hard on this one. We powered through the natural disaster. Finally, emergency, unforeseen technical challenges, unfulfilled ambition, and various other roadblocks. I probably sound like a broken record by now, but again, we seem to have ended up building one of the largest updates so far. Turns out the hiring more game developers does not speed up development. It just makes us always more ambitious. And then they say, what's this? Just a few cherry picking. Addition includes animal riding system, elk ownership system, expanded ocean content, visual upgrade for waters, sailboats with full construction system and upgrade rafts, hundreds of new types of blocks, tiny little bouncy noise insects, add solar eclipse, lots of creative AI improvement, 2 new secret mobs, and then it says where to buy it from the official website, has native Linux support, and says it seems they need to update their supported version of .NET from 7.0, which no longer supported by Microsoft. So running it on an app up-to-date distro may be a little annoying right now. All right. Anyway, says here, and this is from Vintage Story, and this is Vintage Story. The version 1.20, the journey, and this is from the official website. All right. Now keep moving. So what else we got here? Okay, Amazon Prime Gaming for December. Okay, we did Nvidia. See, Prime Gaming. What do they have? What games are they getting for December? Okay, so they're getting the pre-simulator, Tales of Borderlands, Showgunner, 9 Year Shadow, Curse, Golf, Hill Pie, Disney Pixar, Cars, Dishonored Definitive Edition, Snakebird Complete, Moonlighter, Kerbal Space, Falconeer, Gina's Sister, Twisted, Killed Floor, Chasm Rift, Tomb Raider Anniversary, Blade Darkness, Warhammer Space Marines, Warhammer 40,000 Space Elf, Necromunda, Hired Gun, Star Wars Bounty Hunter, Ghost Song, Morbid, The Seven Acolytes, Max the Curse of Brotherhood, Overcooked, the Gourmet Edition, Gloomy Tales on the way, Super Meat Boy, Riot Curse, Tiny Robots, you have Far Away 2, Mafia, Scorn, Sir Whoop, anyway, Call of Juarez, yeah, anyway, keep moving here. What else we got on the game in front here? Yeah, you gotta push through this, man. Let's see here, what's this, War Thunder, almost done here. War Thunder is moving away from easy anti-cheat to Battle Eye, okay. They said that changeover is going to happen in waves, so you might not see Battle Eye on your own system for a few weeks. Eventually everyone will be on it, but they will of course continue supporting those on easy anti-cheat until switch over is complete. And this is because they currently use easy anti-cheat for it, and no reason has actually been given as to why they decide to swipe over. Maybe it's instincts, you know. Maybe it's instincts. Anyway, that's what they got. Yeah, man. Gotta keep you guys in the loop, man. Let's see here. What's this? Free-to-play monster hunting game Dauntless now. Steam. Now on Steam, works on Steam Deck, desktop Linux. Needs quick fixes. Okay. And let's see what they say here. Dauntless Phoenix Lab finally launched on Steam. It also has free to play, so you can go and check out the monster hunting game without spending a penny. The developer mentioned on Steam clearly back in late November, we had no intention to intentionally block Steam Deck compatibility, and it has launched with easy anti-cheat. There's no official Steam Deck compatibility rating from Valve just yet though, and the developer hasn't officially noted any supported status for Steam Deck apart from that quote so far. And okay, all right. So release date December 5th, 2024. Official link where to buy Steam. It's called Dauntless Awakening. All right, keep moving. Let's see what else we got here. Valve may be working on a new kind of Steam machine. Anyway, see, there's a whole bunch of hints and speculation going around right now showing that Valve may be working towards a new kind of Steam machine. Suddenly, their new Steam controller 2 was leaked along with the SteamOS branding online, making a whole lot more sense if this is true. While the SteamOS branding mentioned third-party vendors using it, we know they're working towards releasing SteamOS for other hardware vendors for this handheld. Having a way to show it also helps Valve keep it the same across multiple of their own device. It says, as for the Steam controller, it makes even more sense with this, because otherwise the targets for people to buy it would have been reasonably small. So they're all people with a Steam Deck, but it would only be a percentage of people with one that would buy a Steam controller, and a lot of other people on PC already have their own preferred gamepad. So having a first Steam machine would pretty much need a dedicated controller, unless Valve bundles it with a third-party controller, but that leaves Valve at the mercy of another hardware vendor on the feature support, on featured and support. Speculation and leaks on some form of Steam machine. Valve could initially, from a Reddit post where users point out a change to the Linux kernel used by Steam Deck. SteamOS had mentioned a change of the HDMI CE for Fremont with a code that referenced and Lilac and Geekbench being a mixture of the different AMD chip like Ryzen 8540U and Ryzen 7835HS. It says on on Twitter, VR enthusiast Brad Lynch mentioned in a thread, after more digging through it, Valve codes nothing, but also the Quanta computer Valve Steam Deck manufacturer is giving feedback on it. All reference to Fremont ensure checks for a full HDMI type size port. You could see the TV Focus console and other desktop computers that don't have a dedicated GPU with its own HDMI port. Lynch is the one that has been covering a lot of the leaks upcoming Valve Deckard VR headset. Then it says November next year will also mark 10 years since Valve's original Steam machine launch. That would be a pretty good time for Valve to announce something, don't you think? Things have changed dramatically since the original failure of the Steam machine launch, which kicks off Valve efforts. Everything that makes up the Steam Deck, we have Proton. Now the real important bit, which runs tens of thousands of which games and Proton compatibility is continuously improving to the point where so many games really do just work, but we still have the anti-cheat problem. We have another big update to Proton coming soon. It's going to be really interesting to see what becomes involved. This very exciting time to be a Linux Steam OS gamer. All right, keep moving here. I don't know if they want to go backwards. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Free-to-play Marvel Rival is out now on Steam and works on Steam Deck Linux. Steam Deck has issues though. Okay, let's see how to fix them. Okay. So let's see. Marvel Rivals, next big multiplayer shooter, potentially the next big thing with a Steam free-to-play release now. What is it? Pretty much Marvel Overwatch. The good news is that it does actually works on the Steam Deck and desktop Linux thanks to Proton. Not only that, this is not a case of it accidentally working either. It supports straight from the developer in their Discord of their team said very clearly, yes, Steam Deck supported bugs on the black cutscenes. There's clear issues right now though, so here's how to get it to work on Steam Deck. When you go to play Steam Deck Linux, you may encounter error about drivers and the operating system, which can be falsely ignored on Steam Deck. I just seems to use touch screen tap confirmation box and then hit play launch. And then it says after the load shaders, at least with Proton 9.0 through 3, you will end up seeing black screens with audio, which is developer mentioned in my quote above. The good news is that an easy fix. And then it says how to fix Marvel Rival on Steam Deck. Go to desktop mode, Steam button, power switch to desktop, run Marvel Rival from there. Once it loads the launcher, you can control the mouse by holding down Steam button and using the right thumb pad to move the right trigger as your mouse button to hit the button in the launcher, and you can get into the game properly. The initial black screen is supposed to show their privacy acceptance screen and agreement, which is only seems to work in desktop mode. Here you can use a mixture mixture of touches, screens, and mouse input to get through it. Alright. Alright. Okay. Keep moving here. What else we got? Got to get through this. Let's see, what else we got? Let's see, what did they say here? Hold on. Almost done here. Then they say, after that though, if you want to enter a username, since you're on desktop mode, you can't bring up a keyboard overlay and properly. So hit power button once, select log out, and it sets you back to gaming mode. Then launch the game again, and it will work properly. All right. Now keep moving. What else we have here on the gaming front? Yeah, can't play around with this when it comes to gaming news, man. These gamers take their thing serious. Let's see here. FlatHub becomes self-sustained entity, and they're looking to hire some help. Okay. FlatHub has positioned itself as pretty much a go-to place for Linux apps, since it works across many distributions and is even on Steam Deck. Now Genome Foundation is looking to hire someone. What did I just do? Get back. Hire someone to help expand into a self-sustaining entity. As posted on FlatHub Discord forum, Genome Foundation are looking to hire a contract to help sort through management, legal, financial stuff, with being founded by Endless. This is also being done in a partnership with KDE. And it says the budget for it seems pretty low though, at $12,000 for an expected 3 months of part-time work on it. To me, it seems a bit optimistic on how this sort of thing would take to be fully sorted, especially when you're looking at what their role entails. Oversee deployment of payment system for application and direct donation to FlatHub operating costs, finalize governance documents, convene a simple governing body for FlatHub with representative from Genome, KDE, and the FlatHub community, establish and manage banks and Stripe payments processing account, finalize launch terms of use and developer agreement, coordinate handling of accounting, operation expense with the Genome Foundation, ensure transparency through clear communication and documentation for community. And it says, hopefully something works out, because FlatHub has become seriously good thing for Linux desktop. Alright, what else we got here? Alright, keep moving. What's this? Almost done here. Let's see here. Epic Science Fantasy Role Cave of Cut 1.0 is out now, and it's a wild ride. Let's see, what did they do? New as of the release tutorial to teach the basics of the game. Final quest in the main quest line ends of the game. Several new music tracks, sounds effects, 40 new achievements, lots of bug fixes. And it says with the 1.0 launch, there's also a new Mad Deluxe Edition that includes the game, the original soundtrack, Pets of Arvit's Dawn DLC, pick up from 13 unique companions to start the game with. Alright, where to buy this? Itch.co, GOG, Steam. Yeah, okay, alright. Keep moving. Where are we at here? Trying to push through this. Let's see here, we got 4 more pieces of news to go through, and then we're done. Let's see here, The Thing remasters from Night Dive Studio is out now. Let's see here, and where to buy it, GOG and Steam, more features in 20 frightening levels. Lead your team against terrifying monsters, from the scuttling head spider to the human-like walker to the gigantic multi-tentacle beast. Advanced thrust fear interface adds new levels of interaction. Hope you influence your team's psychological state, determine whether or not they will cooperate with you. Experience brand new dynamic lighting, specular maps, shadow depth of field, complement by improved models, textures, environments to create a deep level of immersion. Use awesome firepower like machines, explosive flamethrowers to torch your enemies. Brand new achievements, quality of life, gameplay enhancement to improve experience. Choose multiple paths to solve problems that lie ahead of accomplished goals. And where to buy this? GOG and Steam, The Thing Remastered. And yeah, works good with Proton Linux. Yeah, I had to get through this, and I was kind of. Let's see, what else we got here? Let's see, MMO Interplanetary Craft Adventure Spacecraft from Shiro Games. Novgrad War Tales announced. Okay. Let's see here. Shiro Games developer Northgrad War Tales Dune Space Wartime Wars have announced spacecraft, and my space nerd brain is now very excited. It's a massive multiplayer interplanetary crafting adventure. According to press email, whatever that actually means, look like it will have a big mixture of gameplay and free open world exploration across the stars, along with you being able to explore planet directly on the ground as well. On the planet, you can mine for resource, do some crafting, and build a base. There even automation system as well. The actual ship space, ships, ship. I mean, actual spaceship look modular with you building them up from various component, and the economy will be player driven as well. Spacecraft. Let's see your official link and where to buy Steam. Yeah, it says overall it seems like a bit of blend of Eve Online, Satisfactory, Avion, which could be awesome, although likely a huge time sink. Have a look see at the trailer. Okay. Oh yeah, you space nerds, you're good. All right, now what else we have here on this game on the gaming news? Oh yeah. Let's see here. What's this? Pizza delivery bullet haven pest apocalypse is hilarious chaos out now. All right, and where to buy this? Steam came out December 4th. If there's a video for this, I'll put it in the description box. All right, let's see what else we got here. Humble. Yeah, I'm putting all this news out, trying to get it done here. Let's see, Humble Bundle are bringing back 11 popular game bundles for a limited time. Okay, let's see, Humble. You got Lego Marvel Superheroes, Lego Jurassic World, Lego Star Wars Force Awakens, Lego Movie 2 video game, Lego The Hobbit, Lego Harry Potter year 5 through 7, Lego Harry Potter years 1 through 4, Lego Ninja Movie video game, Lego Marvel Superheroes, Lego Movie deck playable, Lego DC Supervillain, Lego Batman 3 Beyond, Lego Marvel Avengers, Lego Batman the video game, and then it says deck unsupported, Lego World, Lego Incredibles, Lego Lego Batman 2 DC Superheroes, Lego Lord of the Rings, and the one that's deck unsupported, you would need a GE Proton. So yeah, Humble. Yeah, you know, Humble, Fanatical, GOG, Steam. Yeah, they always have deals. All right, now let's see here. What else we got? Oh yeah, Wine. Another update, and we're done. Let's see here. Windows compatibility layer. Wine 10.0 get a first release. The next major bump is coming from Windows compatibility layer Wine, which form a big part of Valve's Proton, with Wine 10 having the first release candidate. With this now available, the project has gone into code freeze, meaning no new features will be added from here, with a focus on bug fixing for the full release of Wine. It says here, actually, you know what? I'm gonna make a video out of this. I'm gonna make a video out of this. Yeah, probably. Actually, no. Let me get it done while I'm at it. It says here, with this new available, the project has gone. Okay, I read that part. It says here the highlight from this release include bundle VKD3D upgrade to version 1.14, Mono engine update to version 9.4, initial version of a Bluetooth driver, UTF-8 support the C runtime, support for split bug info using build ID various bug fixes. For some context above, VKD3D 1.14 had these main changes: disassemble support for binary effects, initial support for metal shading language output, miscellaneous bug fixes. Then it says as for Mono 9.4.0, it's now possible to configure XT bugs to see JIT method, add Georgian translation to Mono, out only array in native manage. Wrapper are now longer marshed on the input side. Implement GUID generation for class type. System runtime remoting channel aggregated dictionary now allows for modification for modification of keys, and HTTP client transport sync now runs chunked memory steam and async response. And by Stronghold Kingdom upstream updates, SDL to 2.30.8, FNA to 24.10. Wine, yeah. So that should do it though. As far as the news is concerned though, got you guys covered though. News, deals, games, update the usual. Yeah, something happened yesterday, man, so I had to redo everything. So yeah, but other than that, man, you guys are good though. I mean, this is December, the last month of the year, so you know, some studios are going on vacation, some are gonna be home, you know, so developers are, pushing in those last updates, for the month of December, so the winter time can start. And yeah, and then the winter, once the Steam Autumn sale is over, then the winter sale begins. And yeah, but in the meantime, that 2 terabytes of storage for Steam Deck is really important, because you need it for all those updates that are coming in. So put that try to get that installed in your Steam Deck. Don't sit on the 256 gig or the 512 gig model, or even the 1 terabyte model, because the updates are just coming in. So update your and the 64 gig model. Update your Steam Decks and then keep pushing. 2025 is coming, and Spider-Man 2 is around the corner. So yeah. So I'll keep you guys in the loop though, and let you know what's going on. But I was behind a little. Something happened yesterday, and I had to redo everything. So yeah. Anyway, yesterday I had 4 videos to upload, and disaster strike. But anyway, I had to get it done. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Nice talking to you people again. Crystal Star Wars 6.